and I'm interviewing Jerry's son today from RE/MAX Elite Realty. Jerry, since your short sale team has one of the best track records for short sales in the San Gabriel Valley, LA County area, I would like to ask you a few questions that most people might be embarrassed to ask.
Thank you for having me, Erica.
What is a short sale?
Basically, a short sale is a transaction where the seller's lender voluntarily agreed to receive a loan payoff for less than what is owed, therefore to avoid foreclosure to end bankruptcy. As a simple example, say a distressed home seller has a mortgage of $300,000 on his home and the market value is only $200,000. In a successful short sale, the bank agreed to accept an offer of $200,000 and forgive the $100,000 outstanding mortgage debt.
Why would anyone want to do a short sale, Jerry?
Well, anyone who is facing financial hardship or their mortgage payment are too much to handle or are getting nowhere with the loan modification should consider a short sale. Living in the San Gabriel Valley for over 20 years, I have seen up and down of our local real estate markets. Irresponsible lenders, economic downturn, job losses, and high interest rate have all contributed to our current housing crisis. Most people have asked me when the market is going to come back up again because they're so far upside down in their home and they are just drowning. Unfortunately, I don't have a crystal ball. But what I do have is the most current market data showing me that we are far from getting out of this housing crisis. A recent employment report shows in Los Angeles County has an unemployment rate of over 16%. Riverside and San Bernardino counties are even worse. You can't expect people to pay their mortgage when they are barely able to feed their family or living off from credit cards.
Wow, that is a shocking number, Jerry. What are the advantages of doing a short sale versus just letting the property foreclose?
Well, there are many advantages of doing a short sale, but I will just mention the top 5 reasons right now. 1. Immediate debt relief. A person's financial hardship will at minimum no longer include a huge monthly mortgage payment once a short sale is finished. This will hopefully give families some breathing room and reestablish their credits. 2. Ability to buy another home in the near future. Most people are not aware that they can buy another house again in as little as 2 years after completion of short sale and reestablish their credit per current Fannie Mae guideline. A foreclosure will drastically increase this time frame to a minimum of 7 years, and reestablish credit will be much more difficult. Number 3. Short sales do not affect your current or future employments. Most employees nowadays have a right to credit check any potential employees. This is especially true for government jobs or banking institutes. A short sale does not appear on credit report, but a foreclosure does. You don't want a foreclosure to affect your future employments. Reason number 4. Almost all major banks prefer short sale over foreclosure. Banks are not in the business of foreclosure on people's homes, although banks have a foreclosure division. The reality is that banks are penalized by how many foreclosed property they have on their books because this affects the amount of money they can loan and collect interest on. They would much rather do short sale if negotiated correctly. Myself alone with my team have closed over 98% of our short sale, which includes all major lenders, in 30% time of normal inexperienced short sale agent takes. Number 5. Avoid embarrassment with dignified and respectable solution. In a short sale, a homeowner will generally be able to stay in their home until escrow closes. We inform the homeowner all the timeline so they can be fully prepared and all their neighbors will think it's a standard sale. 100% of my clients have preferred this method over getting public exposure with eviction notice and their door when the property is sold at a trustee sale or a posting from the bank at their home when the property is foreclosed.
Well, those are some great reasons, Jerry. What's the bottom line?
Well, Erica, the bottom line is that I think short sale is a solution for many struggle homeowners out there. Why continue to pay drowning mortgage that you might be upside down for many years to come when you can get out of the property now. Rent for 2 years and buy a good property again for a fraction of what it cost originally. There's no cost to the homeowner for short sale since I negotiated my fee with the bank, but time is of the essence. A short sale transaction is the most complex transaction in real estate. A homeowner that has default on their payment normally only has 152 days before their home is placed at a public trustee auction. Myself and my short sale team have proven short sale solution that will give us 98% success rate, and we have always been able to postpone trustee sale and foreclosure on all our past short sale.
Thank you very much for your time and valuable information, Jerry.
Thank you for having me, Erica.